Oh, sad like Frolita, Southbound Music Man. He's playing around 9. Yeah, we're gonna check him out.
But will not know your weak body, mind, and spirit. He will persist until he causes justice to triumph. But now their gods have fallen, their temples are no longer sacred, and their kings are long forgotten.
Asa ba kau jenis?